Next up, the Fire God Research Center. In this video, I'll show you how to find the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates, and of course, we'll start at the Rift. This is in the brand new Ember Strand region, all the way down south here. We'll head across to the Rift on the far southeast side, and of course, you'll find very light presence of guards in this area. This will be a brand new area. This is probably the first place that you're going, so keep in mind, you'll need to upgrade your gear as you go through here. Collect all of these scraps lying on the ground, as you will need resources from them. Activating this tower, let's continue. So, first of all, we'll start off by basically following the quest if you have the main storyline quest here. The storyline quest will basically take us into this huge building down south, and this is where the journey begins. Heading in here, we'll head up the stairs and into this area security here. Doing what we need in this first little room here, we'll head across towards the northern exit of this and head into the facility even deeper. The quest should pretty much handhold you the way through this. Heading down the staircase here, you'll immediately see this big area in the center. The mystical crate is right near the bottom center of this, so we'll come across and find a place where we can jump in. Following the quest line, picking up the notes, the laboratory key, it'll handhold us to the way down. So over on this section here, there's a hole in the fence, which takes us down, and we're able to make it to the mystery crate right there. So it's located just to the northeast side of this lava pit. We'll parachute down towards it from this point, but you can parachute in from any point really, and we'll make our way across there. There we go. Grabbing the mystery crate, we get this from it. Sweet. Now from here, looking towards the southern side of this, without leaving this center area, you'll see some stuff going on down here, a weapon crate over there, and a little puzzle we need to solve here. So we'll come across to this southern corner, we'll hop over the fence, and we'll parachute down to here. At this point, you'll need to stand in the blue and align this R over here visually. So somewhere around there. Once you do it correctly, by standing in this front left corner, it should open up the door. So we can head in here and grab ourselves the weapon crate. There we go. Now with this, we can head back out, find our way to these stairs towards the east, head up once more, and you'll find the Scenic Viewpoint. Interacting with this, bam, there we go, some free starchrom. Heading up these stairs even further, back up to the top, I'll head back towards where the quest line is taking us. Of course, for you, your path may be different. So this takes me down and out towards this little building here, and it takes us further south still. Right over here, you can immediately see another gear crate on this southmost point, which we can get to by heading across and making our way up the stairs to the left. So up the stairs here at the top, we'll find the gear crate. So grabbing this, there you go. We'll be navigating back towards the center of the building once more, this time to the northwest corner. Heading back towards this main hand, we'll head northwest towards this tower over here. We'll climb up the tower, and almost from the top, you'll find this over here. So we're looking towards this section. These two big pipes you can see, we just need to land on top of this one, and we can start the hidden mystery crate. So 1, 2, and 3. The hidden mystery crate showed itself here. Inside of it, I get these items. Then from here, we'll parachute across to this next pipe and over this fence here. Then, once we're inside of this fence, you can head around into this building and we find yet another crate. This is a weapon crate. We'll grab this and that's what I get from it. Now finally, yet another gear crate. We can open the door to get back out and we'll head all the way to the northeast corner here. So all the way across to here. You can see this big tower. This is an elevator. We can head down here and call the elevator. So we'll get inside, activate, then we'll head into this building here, up this staircase to the left, and similar to another building in the same place, we can head across and bam, there's a gear crate. So grabbing this, here's what I get from it. Anyways, that's it. We've now 100%ed this area. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.